Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the system transparency so apps can layer properly. Open Settings, go to Personalization, then Colors, and toggle Transparency Effects on. Do this now because the operating system must permit translucency before any extra effects will work. Once done, make sure Accent Color is set to the option you want. System accent impacts contrast and clarity. If you want a stronger effect, proceed to a dedicated tool. Otherwise, test with windows and menus to confirm the base translucency is active. Next, install a taskbar-specific app like Translucent TB from the Microsoft Store. This gives precise control over opacity, blur, and color overlays. You install, then run the app and pick a mode: acrylic for glass-like blur, blur for subtle haze, or clear for nearly invisible. Configure opacity percentages and accent blending while watching the taskbar in real time. This helps you see how foreground elements contrast. Once satisfied, set the app to start on sign-in so your translucent settings persist every session. Finally, apply your chosen settings and restart Explorer or Sign Out to ensure the taskbar renders correctly. This forces the shell to reload visual changes. Make sure the taskbar remains readable. Adjust opacity and accent contrast to balance style and usability. If things go wrong, first restart Explorer, then reset or reinstall the translucent utility. Permissions or outdated graphics drivers often block effects. If problems persist, check for Windows updates and disable conflicting customization tools, and then reapply your translucent configuration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.